Hello everybody, my name's Hayden from RC Masters. I'm your host today on the show. Today we have a few things going on, a few new things around town. So the reason why I'm videoing today is because I'm currently on suspension, so I'm going to take advantage of that and start producing better videos. So today what we have on the agenda is, you'll probably see in the title, I've got a few new things. There'll be obviously individual videos on that. But we're going to start out with the Electra XP. It's basically a trainer plane. So it's only got your rudder and your elevator on the plane. I got it in a kit. I actually got it quite cheap, second hand of course. It's very old. They're very old planes anyway. This is a 2007 model, so it's quite old. So here it is today, built, and I've currently been charging all the batteries up, making sure everything's going. That's obviously something new, those two boxes, but I'll get into that later. But it's basically got your elevator and rudder, no ailerons. And the weird thing about this plane, especially on the receiver, with the receiver you only got up, down, left, right, no throttle control, because it goes full speed when you hit the button on the other side. So all you got on the receiver is a throttle cut. So you can't power down, you can't power up, it's just full speed until the battery dies. Don't get me wrong, I love the design of the planes from back then, especially around the plastic. That's when they were starting to use the foam, EPO foam. So they've come a long way from just the basic designs to full designs like my P51 Mustang and my Cub Sport S, and obviously the Turbo Timber. Come a long way since from this era. But the battery component goes into here. Good thing about it is I've got spare wings, basically a whole spare plane in there other than the body. So that's a positive for that. The instructions are quite easy, and that's basically about it on this aircraft. I'll show you it flying when I can obviously go out and do these things, because currently at the moment on a New South Wales border lockdown, as I live around the Goulburn area. It kind of impacts that because we're part of regional, so we've got regional restrictions due to COVID. But other than that, it's pretty good here because I'm on a fair bit of land, so it's not too bad. I can fly small things like my helicopters and stuff. Um, Other than that, I've been working on fixing one of my custom designed planes. As you know, the XL trainer plane that's very micro, very small. I've been working on that. It's a lot of tape at the moment, but it's getting there. So that's it here. So I put two planes together. The ailerons don't work. They're just, to me, I'm thinking of just dropping them a little bit to make them as takeoff flaps, just to help improve the performance of the plane going up. But the main thing on this is the rudder's working really great, and I've been trying to figure out the motor, because the cogs get shredded once you hit the ground, which is not good. So that's basically about it on today's video. I've got a drone that I need to work on over the next few weeks, so I'll be doing that as well. It's going to be a very busy next couple of days, so stay tuned for that, because I'll be filming all that. And I've got a speed controller to solder together, so that's going to be fun as well. In the RC car segment, I've got one new car. I'll be videoing that a little bit later today on the channel. Currently working on my nitro car, which I should have it up and running in the next couple of weeks when my deliveries come in. So that's a bonus for that. And what I will be doing is getting everything together for a massive collaboration video, so I'll be having all my cars driving and then my planes as well, but they're going to be obviously split into segments where they'll be individual flown and then they'll come in together at once. So stay tuned to that. That's the plan. But what we are here for is for obviously helping out anybody around the RC world, understanding what's going on and how to do things, because we're learning ourselves. But we got a bit more. I've got a bit more knowledge than my team partner. But yeah, other than that, I'd like to say thanks for watching this video, and please share the page out because it helps us get bigger and get us more notified around the area, because I'm happy to fix stuff for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Leave a like, comment if you want on what you want to see, and obviously go check out the Facebook page because that is a lot better than what we currently got going here. Alright, cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.